Before we dive into this tutorial, I want to explain what filter subscriptions are. These subscriptions are a powerful way for you and your team to stay informed about specific issues without having to manually check for updates. They allow you to automatically receive email notifications. So instead of you logging into Jira daily and searching for issues, you can schedule Jira to send updates straight to your inbox. And you can do so once a day, once a week, once a month, or even on a custom schedule. To create filter subscriptions in Jira is actually pretty simple. I'm in my web development Jira project where I have epics, tasks, and bugs. So in order to create a subscription, we're going to go to filters. We're going to click on view all issues. And we first have to create our filter. So for this particular example, we're going to create from this web development project all our bugs. Okay. And you would just click on save filter. And let's just web development dash bugs. And then if we click on filters and we click on view all filters, here's the filter that I created. The next step would be to click on these three dots all the way at the right hand side. Click on manage subscriptions and then click on add subscription. Now you have the recipients, so it could be to yourself, but you can also select to a group. Okay. You also have to select the schedule between daily, days per week, days per month, and advance. So in dailies, you can do once per day, every 3 hours, every 2 hours, and you can select the time. Same thing with days per week, where you just select the days that you want to receive the results via email. Then the same thing for days per month. And for advanced, you have something different, which is cron expression. And a cron expression is basically a time-based field that defines when the subscription will run. So it's typically something like this. So 0 space 9, then asterisk asterisk 1. And the first value is the minute, then the second is hour, then day of the month, then day of the week, and then you have an optional sixth one, which is the year. So essentially this one would run every Monday at 9 in the morning. Okay, so just for this example, we're just going to select daily and at 8 in the morning. So every day at 8 in the morning, I would get my results from the filter. Okay, now a common question that I get a lot is, well, what's the difference between, filters and this subscription, right? So the thing with filter subscriptions is that you have to manually, click on filters and go to your filter and then see the results, okay? But the interesting thing with subscription is that you can send the report to people that are not Jira users, right? So I would get this via email, and then I could just forward it to a manager, for example, that doesn't have a Jira license. That is primarily the two main differences.